Hello everyone. You are welcome back to Math City, and all we do here is to discuss mathematics. Today we will be considering the topic that you have on your screen, even though we have done that before using a particular method. But today we will be using another method, right? So let's go straight into it. Now, the question that we have here says we should list all the factors of each of the following numbers. So we are going to make use of considering we are going to consider the first one, which is 12. As you can see on your screen, the first one is 12. So I will start dividing 12, right? By I'll start by dividing 12 by the first natural number that we have, which is 1. Okay, so I'm using this method of division. I will have 12 divided by 1. Our outcome is 12. As you can see, we have 1 as our uh, divisor. I have used 1 to divide 12. Alright, so 1 is a factor of 12 because 1 successfully divided 12 without leaving a remainder. And don't forget, like I discussed in the first video, the outcome that we also have, which is 12, is also a factor of 12. If you want to know more about this, you can consult the first video that I posted. Right? So in this case now, we have our first two numbers. So which are 1 and 12. I'll keep the 12 here. Okay. So having said that, let's move to the next one. Let's try another number. After 1, we have 2. After 1, we have 2. So let's test. Let's check maybe 2 we divide 12 successfully without leaving a remainder. So we have 12 divided by 2. Our answer is 6. So I'm going to put down both 2, both these 2 that I used to divide 12 and the 6. I'm going to write them down. Alright, so in that case, I'll have 2 to come after 1. Then my outcome now is 6. Alright, so I'm done with that. I will move to the next number. After 2, I have to check 3. So let me check. Maybe 3 we divide 12. Okay, so we have 12 divided by 3. Our outcome is going to be 4. So we use 3 to divide 12 and we obtained 4. Okay, so in this case now after 3, we're supposed to make use of 4 to divide 12. But as long as we already have 4 on our list, then we are going to stop here. So in essence, all we have done is to list the factors of 12. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are all the factors of 12. Let's move on to B, which is 18. Right? As we did at first, we are going to do the same thing now. We will start dividing 18. We start from 1. We start from 1. So, alright, 18 divided by 1. Our answer will be 18. So, I'll come here. I'll write 1 that I used to divide. Then I'll also keep here my outcome, which is 18. Okay, I'll move on to the next one, dividing 18 by 2. I'll divide 18 by 2. Okay, so I have 18 divided by 2, our outcome is 9. Our outcome is 9. So in that case, I'll write 2 here after 1, then I'll put the outcome here, which is 9. Alright, that is done. The next one is to use 3. Let's check 3. So I'll use 3 to divide 18. I have 3 divided by 18, and my answer will be 6. 6. So I have 3, comma, and 6. After 6 is 4. Can 4 divide 18? I don't think that will be possible. 4 cannot divide 18. If we use 4 to divide 18, there will be a remainder. So which means that 4 is not a factor of 18. Okay, let's test that with this. Right? If you use 4, 18, you have 18 divided by 4, you will have 4.5. This is not the whole number. It has a decimal part, and that is 0.5. As you can see on your screen, 0.5. So 4 cannot go exactly in 18. Now if you consider 5, 5 also will not go exactly in 18. If you use 5 to divide 18, you have 18 divided by 5, you will have 3.6. This is not a whole number, and you have a decimal part, and that disqualifies 5 from being a factor of 18. So after 5, it is 6. 6 is already on our list. Then we are going to stop. Therefore, all the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So let's move to C. Let's consider C. C is we are listing the factors of 30. Okay, so we write 30. 30, let's write it somewhere here. 30 divided by 1, our outcome will be 30. Then we have 1, comma, now keep the 30 here. Let me keep it here. Alright. Then after that, I will consider using 2. If 2 can divide 30, let's see what we obtain. Okay. So 2, the 30 divided by 2 will give us 15. If you use a calculator, you can use that to confirm. Then we write 2 and our outcome, which is 15. After 2, we make use of 3. Let's check. Maybe 3 will divide 30. So we have 30 divided by 3. Our outcome will surely be 10. Then I'll write down 3 that I used to divide 30, and I'll also write down my outcome, which is 10. After 3 is 4. 4 cannot divide 30 exactly without leaving a remainder. You can confirm that we have 30 divided by 4. Our outcome will be 7.5. This is not a whole number, and therefore 4 is not a factor of 30. After 4, we have 5. 5 we definitely do that. Divide let me show you from the calculator. We have 30 divided by 5. Our outcome will be 6. Alright, this is a whole number. Therefore, 5 is a factor of 30 and 6 is also a factor of 30. So I'll write 5, then I'll write 6. Then as long as after 5 I'm supposed to use 6, 6 is already on the list, then I am going to stop here. Alright, so we'll move on to the last example, which is D. Here we are considering the factors of 72. So we have 72 divided by 1, start from 1. Our outcome is 72. So we write our answer, 1, then we have 72, the outcome. Okay, after 1, we will attempt 2. Let's make use of 2 to divide 72. So we have 72 divided by 2. Our outcome, if you use your calculator, you will obtain 36 as your outcome. 36. That is 2 can go in 7 3 times. It will remain 1. So you put the 1 beside 2 to call it 12, and you use that to divide, then you have 6. So that's how you obtain the 6 behind there beside that 3. So what, to make it fast, you can use your calculator to confirm that. So now we have the other number, which is 2 and 36. Let's consider 3. Okay, so if we use 3 to divide 72, alright, 72 divided by 3, our outcome will be 24. 24. So we have 3 here and 74 here. No, 24 rather. Pardon me for that. 24. 24. Okay, so we have 24. Then the next one after 3 is 4. Let's try to use 4 to divide 72. So 72 divided by 4, our outcome, our answer will be 18. Then we'll write down the 4 and 18. 4, comma, then we have 18. Right? After 4 is 5. It is obvious that 5 cannot go in 72. If you use a calculator, you can use it to confirm that. But 6 will definitely divide 72. Exactly. 6 divided by 72 divided by 6, our answer is 12. So we have 6 and we also have 12. The next one is 7. After 6 is 7. 7 cannot divide 72. If you press your calculator, you will confirm that. For the 8 will definitely divide 72. It will divide 72 exactly without leaving a remainder. So we have 72 divided by 8. Our outcome is 9. So we have 8, comma, then we have 9. So here we are. We have been able to list all the factors of 72, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, and 72. So this is another way of listing all the factors of a given number. This will help you not to miss out any of the numbers. Alright, this is where I'm going to stop for today. I would like you to consider this exercise. You can let me know your findings in the comment section below. Alright, I would like to know your mind concerning these questions in the comment section below. I want to thank you for staying with me, and I wish to see you in the next video. Thank you.